guys and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I want to share with you 4 new DIYs that I made using the Dollar Tree items. And guys, these DIYs turned out amazing. I think they are perfect now for summer, for fall, for spring, for Christmas. Oh my god, you can use them year round and they turn out so beautiful and on a budget. They are so easy and simple to make, so I just hope that you like and that you can get inspired by these ideas. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support this channel. And make sure that you are subscribed and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage and my YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. Guys, we posted a new video yesterday and it's so cool, so much fun, and we did like a patio makeover. Oh my god, it turned out amazing. So make sure that you check the video. I'm going to be leaving you the link in the description box. So yeah, I hope that you like this one, that you can get some ideas, and let's get started. Okay, for this project I'm going to be using this Jardine vase that you can get from Dollar Tree, and they have two that looks very similar, but this is the one that I'm going to be using because I think that it works the best for this project. And I'm also going to be using the sprinkler. Now you can get a few of these on Dollar Tree for the summertime, and they are so cool. And actually from this one I'm going to be removing the lid that it has. I'm going to remove the screw and I'm going to take that top part. Then I want to add like a small wooden cap on the top to kind of like give it a finished look to this piece. So I stick this wooden piece. You can get this from Walmart or Amazon. And what I'm going to be doing is creating a ginger jar with these two pieces. Now to give it the final look, I'm going to spray paint these outside, and for that I'm going to be using this warm caramel color, and I'm going to spray paint these outside and then I'm going to let it dry. Once they are dry, this is how my two pieces look. Now you can add maybe some stickers, you can add maybe rope or something like that, or maybe like a sticker to create a pattern. Normally these ginger jars has always like some kind of pattern, or they look like in just one color. So I decided to leave it simple with this color, and this is how my project turned out. It looks exactly like a ginger jar, and it looks so expensive, but it's all on a budget. It cost me less than $2 to make it, and I love how it turned out. For this next project, I'm going to be using these canvas that I get from Five Below. These come in a set of 2. This one is the 16 by 20 inches. I think they are on a really good price, and it's super big, and you can create so many wall pieces with this canvas. Now I'm going to be using one, and I'm going to be removing all of the staples that has on the back on the wood piece. And for that I love to use staple remover. I get this from Amazon. It works so good and it makes this process so much easier and faster. So just in case, I'm going to leave you the link of this piece on my Amazon store and also on the description box. So once I remove the staples, I'm going to be removing the canvas fabric because for the moment I'm going to be working only with the wood frame. Now I'm going to stain these. You can use maybe any stain or any paint that you like. I'm going to be using my Waverly Wax in Antique color. I'm going to give it one coat of paint and then let it dry. Once it is dry, I always like to sand all of the edges, and this is going to give it like a more kind of like rustic look to it, and I really like to do that, so I'm going to be doing it on all of the edges of my frame. And of course I'm going to be cleaning everything with my mini ladybug vacuum. From there, I'm going to be working with the canvas fabric, and I'm going to be cutting all of the folded edges that it has. Next, I'm going to be adding these canvas fabric again on my wooden piece, on my wood frame. And for that, I'm going to be using my stapler, and I get these from Amazon, and it works so good. If you like to do crafts and DIYs, you definitely need one of these. So I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. So I'm going to be adding the canvas fabric on the back side of the wood frame and stick that with the staples, trying and making sure that my canvas looks as straight as possible. And as you can see, the canvas has a small hole that I did. It was my fault, but that's okay. I'm going to be covering that in just a moment. Now that my frame is ready, I'm going to be working with puzzles. You can get these from Dollar Tree, and they come in different sizes. I get this one that is a 48 pieces. So what I'm going to be doing is to paint these, and for that I'm going to be using these navy color. I'm going to spray paint these outside. I think it's so much faster paint all of these pieces using spray paint, but you can use maybe any chalk paint or any color that you like and you have. Once I spray paint these outside, I let them dry, and this is how they look. And now what we need to do is just start sticking all of these pieces on my canvas. But I'm going to be doing these, not trying to make the puzzle. I'm just going to be gluing them in like different directions. I want these to look a little bit messy on my frame, and I'm going to be sticking more puzzle pieces on the bottom than on the top. I don't want to cover this whole art piece with the puzzles. I just want to create the effect that they are like falling down, and I think it's going to look super cute this way. But if you want, you can cover the whole piece with the puzzles. Maybe you need more packages of puzzle, but that's depend on what or how you like it. Okay, once I stick all my puzzle pieces, I'm going to be adding like a small tooth hanger, or maybe you can add a piece of rope on the back side just to be able to hang your wall art piece. Once I was done, guys, this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. I think it looks so interesting. It's perfect for an office or a kid's bathroom. I think it looks super cute, and you can paint the puzzles any color you want. For this next project, I'm going to be using one of these candle holders from Dollar Tree. You can use any one that you have at home. And also, I'm going to be using this container with lid that you can get on the kitchen section at Dollar Tree. I really like this container. I love the shape it has. And what I'm going to be doing is to stick these two pieces together with hot glue. Maybe you can use a stronger glue like E6000 to make sure that it's going to stick well. Once I have my piece all stick together and it's dry, I'm going to be using my spray paint. And again, I'm going to be using this true navy color. I really like this color. I think it's now perfect for summer. And you can use it now too for fall if you want. So yeah, I'm going to spray paint this outside. I'm going to give it 1 or 2 coats of paint, and then I'm going to let it dry. Once it's dry, it's all about you. You can decorate it as you want. I'm going to be using some Spanish moss, and I'm going to add that on the bottom. And then I'm going to be using these olive branches that you can get from Amazon. Guys, you can use maybe flowers, any greenery that you have. I just think the olives branches looks amazing, and they are so trendy right now. And I got mine from Amazon. I think it was the best deal I can find. And of course, I'm going to leave you the link of that in the description box in case you want or need some olive branches. Guys, this is how my project turned out. Really beautiful on a budget. It looks amazing and it's perfect for your kitchen or maybe your dining table. For this next project, I'm going to be using one of these pot belly vase that you can get from Dollar Tree, or maybe any vase that you have at home. And you also need some raffia, and I got this one. I think it's new. I got it from Dollar Tree, and it comes with a lot of raffia, so it is perfect for so many projects. And what I'm going to be doing is like separate all of the raffia, and I'm going to get one piece, and I'm going to start gluing these on my vase. Now I'm going to leave a small space on the top without raffia, and I'm going to start gluing small pieces or like strips of raffia in a diagonal direction. And they're going to look like a little bit turned from one side to the other. Once I have that step ready, I'm going to be doing the same, but I'm going to stick the other pieces of raffia looking to the other direction. Hope that makes sense. They're going to look like so many X's on my vase. Okay, once I stick everything with my hot glue, this is how my vase is going to look. And next I'm going to be using some more raffia. I'm going to get a few pieces, I'm going to stick them on one side with hot glue, and I'm going to start making a braid. I want to make like a really long piece of braid to be able to use it for all my vase. Now that I have my braid ready, I'm going to stick these braid on the top of the vase where all of those raffia pieces are, and this is going to cover all of the mess with the glue that you maybe are going to have. Once I stick the first piece of braid on the top, I'm going to be doing the same but on the bottom of the vase. And this is going to work perfect because it's going to cover all of the mess that you have with the glue. And from there, you want to do the same. You want to have a total of 4 pieces of braid stick on your vase, but this is going to depend on the vase that you are using. Okay, once you're done with the vase, this is how it's going to look, and you can leave it like that, of course, if you want, but I want to make like a picture vase. So for that, I'm going to be using a small piece of rope, of nautical rope, and you are also going to need some wire. And what you want to do is to cover the whole rope with the wire to be able to do like any shape that you want on your rope. Of course, I need to cover these, and for that I'm going to be using some more raffia. I'm just going to get a few pieces, and I'm going to add some hot glue, and I'm going to cover this whole piece with the raffia. Once your whole piece is covered with raffia, this is how it's going to look, and it's so cool because you can do so many shapes because of the wire that you added to your rope. Now it's time to stick this on your vase, and I'm just going to stick one side on the top and the other one on the bottom to be able to form a handle for my picture. Okay guys, once I was done, this is how my project turned out. It was so easy to make. It doesn't take me so long to do it, and I think it looks amazing. This is a very trending piece that I saw on Pinterest and in so many web pages, and I made a dupe with Dollar Tree items, and I think it looks amazing and with a high-end look. So I hope that you can get inspired by these ideas, that you like them, and if you do, please guys give me a big thumbs up. That really helps support this channel, and I want to know which of these ideas is your favorite. I can't decide which one is my favorite. I just love the picture, but I also love the puzzle frame. I can't decide guys, so let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. I want to read you all, and please, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading uploading new videos. And make sure that you follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other channel, Just on My Home. We post a new video. So much fun. We did like a super amazing and affordable patio makeover, so make sure that you check the link in the description box. Love you guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.